Barnstable County has a long history and plays an important role in supporting Cape Cod. This month, during National County Government Month, it's a great time to answer a question we hear a lot. What exactly does Barnstable County do? The short answer, we do a little bit of everything to keep life here running smoothly, like the team behind the scenes making sure things work the way they should. Today, we want to take you through how we serve our residents, protect our environment, and support the 15 towns that make up Cape Cod.
In the 1980s, Cape Cod was growing fast, and with growth came challenges. Communities were dealing with environmental changes, development, and the need for better coordination to solve shared problems.
In the late 1980s and 1990s, several counties in Massachusetts were abolished due to financial and management challenges. But Barnstable County took a different path. As a geographically unique region made of 15 towns on Cape Cod, the county maintained its government so it could provide essential regional services and better support its coastal communities.
Local leaders and residents wanted more control over the decisions that affected the region. They saw the need for a system that would let communities work together on the big issues while keeping each town's independence.
In 1988, Barnstable County residents voted to adopt the Home Rule Charter. This wasn't just about changing the structure of government, it was about making sure that Cape Cod had the tools to protect its future.
The Home Rule Charter set up a new way for the region to work together. It allowed the county to address issues that cross town boundaries while respecting each town's local government.
Barnstable County's government now had two main branches, the executive branch and the legislative branch.
The executive branch is led by 3 county commissioners. They develop policies, oversee county operations, and appoint an administrator to manage the county's resources.
The legislative branch is called the Assembly of Delegates. Each of the 15 towns elects a delegate to represent them. The Assembly reviews and approves budgets, passes ordinances, and makes sure regional policies reflect the needs of Cape Cod's towns. Each delegate's vote is weighted based on their town's population.
An important part of regional planning is the Cape Cod Commission, established in 1990. It was created because Cape Cod was facing fast, uncoordinated development that threatened natural resources and the character of the region.
The Commission helps guide sustainable growth, making sure new development doesn't harm the environment or reduce the quality of life. It supports affordable housing, protects coastal resources, and helps coordinate regional transportation plans.
Barnstable County departments and programs provide many services that residents and towns rely on. We dredge harbors to keep our waterways open and safe. We conduct water quality testing to protect our drinking water, and we lead the region's PFAS testing efforts.
We offer hazardous waste collection programs, distribute vaccines, provide public health services through a dedicated team of nurses, support child victims of abuse through Children's Cove, advocate for equality and fairness via the Human Rights Commission, and much more.
AmeriCorps, Cape Cod, has contributed over 1 million service hours, restoring habitat, building trails, and supporting disaster response efforts. And our IT department helps towns that need technical support for information technology services.
These services are funded by real estate excise taxes, service assessments, and grants. The county administrator ensures careful budget planning and responsible use of our resources.
Barnstable County, the regional government of Cape Cod, is working for you.